Hello viewers, today we are touring this 4-bedroom sky house and this is for sale as well as for rent. So we'll go inside and check the entire house. So here's the entrance, the main entry door. And on the ground floor we have the entire living room. There is one common washroom. We'll move towards the first floor where we have 2 rooms. So we'll see the first room on the left side this time. It's a rustic styled room, nicely designed, and there is a jacuzzi over here. It's a beautiful one. Let's go to the second room on the first floor. So this is the living on the first floor. And here's the room space. Show you the view from the room. Beautiful view of the Lonavala mountains. So on the second floor also we have 2 rooms in the similar way. Also I forgot to mention there is lift facility, but it's currently under maintenance. Again we'll go to the left side this time. So the third room of the house. All the rooms have AC and they are attached with a washroom. So here we have a tent which I am going to show you now. So here it is. There is a tent setup done over here. So people loving this kind of thing can enjoy it over here. So this room has a bathtub. And now we'll move to the fourth and the final room of the house. It's a huge room. And the view is outstanding from here. I'll take you to the view directly. You can see the cars moving at the express actually when you stand over here. So there is one really best feature in this house, which is a swimming pool on top of the terrace. It's really a beautiful thing and I'm going to take you there right away. So here we are at the terrace and wow, a lovely swimming pool with view of the mountains. It's a great day today. The sky is clear, the clouds are white. Blue and white combination always looks great with these amazing mountains. So now we'll look at one more terrace which is over here. Let's go in. So here's the second terrace. This place is so very beautiful. It's amazing. I mean, the kind of view it has, it's so beautiful and outstanding. There are no words to describe. Once you are here, you are just glued to the place. You don't want to move out. There is view all around the place. Wherever you see, there is view. So regarding the price and details, I have mentioned all the details in the description. So please have a look at it and you will get the complete information. Regarding the rental prices, they are always depending on the dates, number of guests, season of season. So please stay connected and inquire. Certainly will do the needful as per your requirement. So thank you so very much for viewing this entire video. Please like, share AKS Info 7 channel for more such videos in future.